Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the number one success tip on how to earn a full-time income from home. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And the purpose of this channel is to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, whether you're brand new or maybe somebody who has not had the kind of success that you wanted to have online. And I am going to be starting over again. I've had some success online, but I want you to watch the video below this video and learn a little bit more about me and why it is that I'm starting over and why it's going to be a success this time. With that being said, if you want to follow along on my journey, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing along the way. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. The thing that I wanted to talk about is, why do some people have success and other people don't, when they may be doing the exact same thing? Like, they're using the same marketing system, they're using the same traffic, and some people have success and other people don't. Well, that is because, and I've learned this from all of my 6- and 7-figure income earner mentors, is that 80% of your success will come from how you think, and 20% will come from actually what you do, like the strategies and the tactics and those kind of things. So what you need to do is, number one, 30 minutes a day, listen or read a book on personal development. A couple that I would recommend are the new Psychocybernetics by Dan Kennedy and Maxwell Maltz. And it's just basically re-engineering your self-image, because if you still see yourself as being an employee, that's what you'll always get. So you have to see yourself as being a full-time entrepreneur and being someone who is successful online. And another book I would recommend is Crushing It by Gary Vee. I think he pronounced his last name Vaynerchuk. I can never say it. So Crushing It is another really great book to read. And then the second thing is to listen to 30 minutes of some sort of personal development. One of the things that I do is I listen to things on Audible as I'm driving to and from work. But one of the most powerful things that you can do is to take the 30-day test by, is something that Earl Nightengale describes in The Strangest Secret. And it will absolutely change your life. I'm going to leave a link below this video of a video I made a number of years ago on this exact subject of how to set a goal, how to visualize it every day. And basically he talks about that's why people don't achieve what they want, is that, number one, they don't have a goal and they don't focus on it enough. So I want you to watch that video. I had said that you can go to my blog, but I don't have that blog anymore. I'm going to be setting up a new blog. But you can find that video, The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightengale, on YouTube, and do exactly what he says. And those are the things that will absolutely make your success. And anyone who's ever achieved great things in earning a full-time income from home does personal development every single day. And that makes the difference between the people who succeed and the people who do not. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like. Subscribe to my channel again if you want to follow my journey along the way, building an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I'm going to be sharing with you the tips and tricks along the way. And what I've done differently this time is I've hired myself a coach. I'm in a VIP coaching group, a very small group of us, and he is a multiple 6-figure income earner. And we're going to be doing exactly what he says to do, and I'm going to be passing along that information to you, showing me my successes and my failures along the way, and as well as the mindset. So again, if you want to follow along on this journey, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.